Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you where you can find information on flight delays in the FlightAware flight tracker application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the exclamation mark button at the bottom of the page. And as you can see, you will be able to see different delays from all over the world. And they even have some additional informations like the time of the delay, and some important notes. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.